Hi students, Class 8, Chapter 3, Algebra. Here we are going to see coefficient. The coefficient of a variable is a factor or a factors. For example, let me take it as a algebraic terms, that is 3ab. Now we want to find the coefficient for this, means here the coefficient of the variable is a factor or factors. Each and every variable we call it as a factors, including the constant term. 3 is one of the factor, and a is another factor, and b is the another factor. Now we want to find the coefficient of a, means the coefficient of a is except the a, the product of the terms, it is 3 into b. 3b is the coefficient of a. Here the coefficient of a means except the factor a, remaining the product of the remaining terms all are a coefficient. Suppose we want to find out what is the coefficient of b, means except the factor b, the remaining 3a is the coefficient of b. It is simply asking the coefficient. For another term, numerical coefficient. In a word, numerical is added, means here numerical coefficient means we have to choose only the constant term, that is the coefficient, only the numbers only we have to choose. Either the coefficient of a means we have to take 3, and the coefficient of b means we have to take only 3. That is the numerical coefficient, not the variable. Whenever we are taking the coefficient, if here we have the minus symbol, means including the negative symbol you have to take, that is the coefficient, including the not only the product of the terms, product of the factors, we have to take the symbols also. Here we have minus, means here we have minus. So not only we have to take the factors, including the symbol, that is the coefficient. Next, algebraic expression. The algebraic terms with arithmetic operation are called algebraic expression. We know that algebraic term means the combination of or the product of constant and variables. The product of constant and variable. For example, 5x. That is the algebraic terms. With arithmetic operation. With arithmetic operation means we know that the arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basic arithmetic operation, right? See, any one of this operation is with here means it will be said as algebraic expression. See, 5 into x, that is 5x, right? Here we have the multiplication symbol. This can be written in the form of 5 into x. So here we have the multiplication symbol. So algebraic terms with algebraic operation, arithmetic operations are called algebraic expression. So we can say 5x is a algebraic expression, and x plus 5 or 5 plus x, it is also a algebraic expression. X is a variable and operation is here plus and constant term. It may be a constant or may be a variable, that is x plus y. This is also an algebraic expression. And then we take it as 5x square or 5x power 3 by 4. Algebraic expression, it accepts all the real numbers including the minus. If you take x power minus 2, it accepts in algebraic expression, right? Next we see the polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression contains 2 or more algebraic terms. Polynomial is an expression contains 2 or more algebraic terms. In a polynomial, all variables are raised to only a whole number power. before we have seen the algebraic expression, it accepts the negative value also, negative value, and then fraction value also it accepted. But in polynomial, the variable's power is always a whole number. We know that whole number is 0, 1 up to the infinite number. For example, 2x square plus x plus 5. Is it a polynomial? Yes, because the variable's power as a whole number. See, here we have 2x square, here we have x. Simply we say it is x means as having the power 1, and x, here we have the power x naught. We know the value, that is x naught equal to 1. So that's why we are not mentioning in a constant term. In constant term always there is a x naught, right? But we are not mentioning that x naught, simply we write it in the 5. So the polynomial means contains two or more algebraic terms with addition or subtraction. That's simple, right? In a polynomial, all the variables are raised to the whole power, that is whole number power only. Next we see monomial, an algebraic expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. For example, 2x square, 3ab, or xyz. See, the product of this term is considered only one term. xyz is considered as only one term by the product of the xyz, right? So it contains only one term is called monomial. We know that mono means only one. Mono means one. Next, binomial, an algebraic expression that contains only two terms is called a binomial. We know that bi means that is 2. Bi means 2. For example, x plus y, the terms will be splitted with the arithmetic operation, right? X plus y are 4ab minus 6 or 6x square minus 8xy. These are the example for binomial. And trinomial, tri means clearly we know that it is 3. An algebraic expression that contains only 3 terms, is called trinomial. Example, we take it as x square plus y square plus z square, or a plus b minus c. These are the example. 3 terms only it contains trinomials. And then we know that 2 or more algebraic terms we call it as a polynomial. So the trinomial is, we can use the word polynomial also. Next, degree of the polynomial. See, the highest power of the term is the degree of the polynomial. In a polynomial, which variable has the highest power is called a degree of the polynomial. For example, let me take it as 2x power 5 minus x power 4 minus 6x square minus 4. See, in this polynomial, the highest power is the degree of the polynomial. Here highest power is 5. So the degree of the polynomial is 5. And 2x power 6 y power 2 minus 3xy plus 8. Like this, another polynomial is given, means here we have to see the degree of the polynomial. Here x and y we have two variables. X and y, two variables, and then sum of this exponents, that is the power, sum of this power is equal to the degree of the polynomial. See, x power we have 6, y power we have 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 6 plus 2 is 8. Here we have x power 1, y power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 8. So how many variables is there? You have to add the variables power, that is exponent, that is the degree of the polynomial. And the standard form of the polynomial is always in the either in ascending order, that is the variable's power in ascending order, or in a descending order. That is the standard form of the polynomial. Thank you, students.